Have a lovely morning to everyone. My dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and starting well at home. Today, we are going to discuss our new topic. So, let's see what's our new topic. Comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. So, today's topic is comparing numbers. This is in page number 76. So, open page number 76, everyone. Okay, now we start. When the number of digits is different, so when the number of digits is different, we can easily compare the two numbers. A 3-digit number is bigger than a 2-digit number. A 3-digit number is bigger than a 2-digit number. So you can see here 728 and 83. You know that a 3-digit number is always bigger than 2-digit number, and a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. So here 728 and 83. 728 is 3-digit number and 83 is a 2-digit number. So we can say that 728 is greater than 83. 728 is greater than 83. And how we write? We write like this. 728 is greater than 83. This is the sign of greater than and this is the sign of less than. Okay, so don't be confused. And here is one math step. A closed end of a point less than points toward the smaller number. So this is the closed end point, and where is it? The closed end point in the smaller digit side. Where is smaller digit size? You can see here 158 is less than 480. So 158 is less. So this closed end point is here in the smaller digit, smaller number. Okay. Next is when the number of digits in the same. So when the number of digits is the same, like 3-digit number, we compare 3-digit number to 3-digit number and 2-digit number to 2-digit number. Okay, so let's see different digits in 100 place. So first of all you check the 100 place. Here you can see two numbers, 341 and 621. So first of all you check the 100 place. When digit in the hundreds place are the same, compare the digits in the tens place. Okay, so here you can see 3 and here is 6. 3 is in 100 place and here is 6 is in 100 place. So you all know that 300 is less than and 600 is greater than. So 3 is smaller than 6. So 341 is smaller than 621. And how we write? We write like this. 741 is less than 621. It's clear to all of you? Next is same digits in the 100 place. If the same digits in 100 place, so you can see here two numbers 751 and 723. You can see here 7 in 100 place and here is also 7 in 100 place. So 100 place are same. So what we do? We check the tens place. When the digit in 100 place are the same, compare the digits in tens place. So here is 5 in tens place and here is 2 in tens place. Okay, so you all know that 5 is greater than 2. Okay, so when digit in the 100 place are the same, compare the digits in the tens place. So tens place, here is 5 and here is 2 and 5 is greater than 2. So 751 is greater than 723. And how we write? We write like this. 751 is greater than 723. It's clear to all of you? Okay. Next, same digits in the hundreds and tens place. So here 100 and tens place are the same digit number. You can see here 484 and 486. So what we do? Here 100 and tens place both are same. So what we do? When digits in the hundreds and tens place are the same, compare the digits in the ones place. Okay, so which number you compare? You compare the ones place. Okay, you compare the digits of ones place. So 400 and 400, 8 tens, and here is also 8 tens. So now you compare the ones place. Here is 4 and here is 6. 4 is smaller than 6. So 484 is smaller than 486. And how we write? We write like this: 484 is less than 486. It's clear to all of you? Okay, I hope all of you understood very well. Come in next page. Making numbers. Making numbers. Here is one question, think and answer. From my smallest and greatest 3-digit number using 0, 5 and 6, make sure that the digits are not repeated. So here you used 0, 5, 6 and make 3-digit number is smaller and greatest. So when you make a greatest number, first of all you write the greatest number 6, 5 and 0. This is your greatest number. And when you make a smallest number, you write 0. So first of all you write 5 and then 0 and 6. So this is the smallest 3-digit number using 0, 5, 6, and this is the greatest 3-digit number using 0, 5 and 6. It's clear to all of you? Okay. Next topic is making numbers. Making numbers. The digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 9 are used to make numbers. Can you make numbers using 3, 5 and 9 digits? You all know that any number makes from these 10 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So can you make number using 3, 5, 9? Yes, 3, 5 and 9. 3, 5, 9. 5, 9, 3, 5, 3, 9, 9, 3, 5. So here are so many numbers which is makes from these 3 digits. Can you make more number by changing the place of digits? You can make 5 more numbers like 395, 593, 539 and 935, 953. The biggest number is 953 and the smallest number is 359. Here you can see which is the smaller and which is the bigger number. So 953 is the biggest number and 359 is smallest number. Okay, so when you arrange the digits in ascending order, so you will get the smallest number, and when you arrange the digits in the descending order, you will get the greatest number. It's clear to all of you? Okay, now ascending and descending orders. We can arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. This is called ascending order. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, this is called ascending order. So arrangement of the numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order, and from biggest to smallest is called a descending order. Okay, ascending order is also called increasing order. Means ascending order is also called increasing order, and descending order is also called as decreasing order. It's clear to all of you? Okay, ascending order. Here you can see the ascending order: 359, 395, then 539, 593, 935 and 953. This is ascending order, and this is the descending order. The opposite, this is the arrangement of smallest to biggest. So smallest number is 359 and 953 is the biggest number. So this is the arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. So this is called ascending order. Ascending order is when numbers are arranged smallest to largest. when numbers are arranged smallest to largest means going up. Here is one more example: 3, 11, 26 and 39. So this is the arrangement of smallest to biggest, going up. So this is called ascending order. Okay, and next is descending order. Here you can see the arrangement of numbers in biggest to smallest: 953, 935, 593, 539, 395, 359. So this is the arrangement of numbers from a biggest to smallest. This is called descending order or decreasing order. Decreasing order means is when numbers are arranged largest to smallest, going down. You can see in this picture this girl is going down. So this is called a decreasing order. Here 39, 26, 11 and 3. This is the going down arrangement. Biggest to smallest. So this is called descending order or decreasing order. It's clear to all of you? So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.